This yard sign right here made me over $1,000. This little sign. God called, came out and seen the estimate, and we landed the job. This sign landed me $1,000. We're gonna do a walkthrough of the whole job. We're finishing up right now. We got one guy loading up the truck, got another guy blowing off the property. It's looking good out here. We're gonna do a walkthrough.
Welcome back. If this is your first time watching, please like, comment, and subscribe. This channel is to help the average business owner grow and scale their business. The clips that you are seeing right now is the completion of the job, so the video is a little bit backwards. Everything right now was blown off, all of the mulch is already laid, and the job is complete. But as the video proceeds, you'll see us actually doing the physical side of the work of the job. I originally had this job booked out for the entire day, but we actually finished in real good time. We finished about 3 o'clock. I would say about 3 o'clock. The mulch was delivered about 9:30. My first time doing a job of this caliber. I actually bidded the job for 11 yards of mulch, and it took 10, and we was able to kind of fill in some extra natural areas to kind of make the mulch job flow even better. And the homeowner was ecstatic, guys. Like I mentioned before, if you're unsure on mulch, always bid it for more, because I'd rather have to go get more and versus not having enough, if that makes sense. So always bid the materials for more just to save you, because I can't tell you how many times when I first got started I got burned on mulch jobs. This is the area right here where I said that we kind of added. This wasn't included, but we had extra mulch. So you see that the bed, it just wraps all the way around, and the mulch flows beautifully. So I highly advise, guys, anytime that you're doing you're pricing a job like this, just break it down. How many yards will I need for the front? How many yards will I need for the back? How many yards will I need for the side? And just break it down like that. I feel like that's the easiest way when it comes to estimating on materials. Just break it down by each side, how much that you'll need, and roll with it from there. We actually had the materials delivered to the job site because, as I mentioned, 10 yards of mulch will not fit on my truck. And moving forward, just make sure that you incorporate that in your estimate. You can always charge for delivery fee, and it makes the job flow a lot smoother. Hope you guys enjoyed.